You might have heard that you have to detach from the outcome or let go of your desire completely to be able to manifest what you want. And this isn't actually true. Today I'm going to explain what detaching actually is and exactly how to do it. So why do we even need to detach at all? It might help if I quickly recap how manifestation works. There are 3 parts to manifestation. The first part is you need to decide what you actually want. The second part is you need to imagine that you already have what you want by creating a reverse memory, a memory of something that has happened in your imagination before it's happened in your physical reality. And the third part of manifestation is to actually receive what you want, and you do this by not blocking it with opposing beliefs. So why do people say that you have to detach from the outcome to be able to manifest what you want? It's because they have had results. They're not making it up, and I have also had results from letting go of the outcome. So I'm not saying it doesn't work, but it doesn't work the way you think it works. It doesn't work because you have detached from the outcome. There are 2 other reasons why detaching from the outcome actually works, and I'm going to explain what these reasons are and what you actually need to detach from so you don't have to detach from the outcome. The main reason why detaching from the outcome has worked for so many people is because they are simply not blocking themselves anymore. When you are constantly desiring something, wanting something, trying to manifest something all the time, you are putting yourself in a position of feeling desperate. You are asking yourself, where is this thing? And then you start to say things like, I just don't even think it's coming. I just don't think I'm going to ever have this thing that I want. And when you do that, your dominant belief is now, I'm not going to get what I want, instead of, I'm going to get what I want. So what happens when you let go of your attachment to your desire and to the outcome is what you're actually doing is letting go of the negative assumptions that you're not going to get what you want by completely eliminating all thoughts surrounding that topic. You've moved on, and now your brain is consumed with other things instead. But because you've already formed that memory in your imagination previously, because of all of the millions of manifestation techniques that you've already done, all the work has already been done. You've done everything you need to do to manifest what you want. You decided what you want, and you used your imagination to create a reverse memory, and by letting go of your desire, you are simply removing all objections and all blocks to you receiving your manifestation. So it actually works. However, we don't need to do this. We don't actually need to let go of our desires, because what actually happens when you let go of your desires is you feel like, I'm just not capable of manifesting things. It puts you in a very powerless situation where you believe that you don't have the power to create what you want, and this is not going to help your future manifestations if you believe that you are powerless to create things in your own life. So what you really need to detach from is the negative assumptions that you're not going to get what you want. You don't need to detach from the outcome. You don't need to let go of the thing that you really want. And it can be really difficult to let go of those negative assumptions that you're not going to get the thing that you want. So how do you actually detach from all of the negative assumptions? How do you detach from the negative contradictory beliefs that you're not going to get the thing that you want? Here are some very powerful mindset shifts that you can use to really help you detach from that negativity. First of all, believe in the power of your own memory. Your memory of the past literally creates the future because you keep replaying your negative past over and over again, and that manifests in the future. So notice how powerful that is to recreate the future based on your memories. And this also applies to future memories as well. So when you've created your reverse memory, believe that it is as powerful as your previous past memories of things that have actually manifested, and know that because you have that memory, it will manifest in the future. Another very powerful thing is to remember exactly who you are. You have the God consciousness. You have God's power, the power of prayer, the power of your memory, the power of your mind, you can create your future because you've got this power behind you. So don't feel like you are not a powerful person. Don't feel like you have to let go and send a signal to the universe and beg the universe and all this kind of thing. You are one with God. You are one with the universe. Everything is linked together and you have the consciousness to create exactly what you want. What you need to detach from is the desperation of desperately wanting something. All you need to let go of is the frustration that you don't have what you want. Know that it's done. Surrender to your desires. Don't have a plan B. You don't need a plan B. There is no plan B. It's already done in your own mind, in your own memories. Receive your manifestation by mentally planning out everything that you are going to receive in the future as if you already have it now. Let go of the need to physically trying to force things to happen. Surrender to the passage of time and the excitement of life unfolding around you. Another way to detach from the negative assumptions is to detach from everything in life slightly. And what does it mean to detach from everything in life? It means that you would still be okay without those things. Remember who you are spiritually. Know that this is a finite experience. Your life, you're just here to experience for a very short period of time. You'll still be you. You'll still have your consciousness, your spiritual consciousness, whether you are you as a human or you as a different being. Be okay without anything physically around you because you are above everything. You created everything, not you as a human. You as a human is experiencing the creation of your consciousness. So allow yourself to experience, allow yourself to enjoy, but do it in a detached way, that it's all just a game. And I just wanted to give you a quick example of how I have detached from negativity surrounding manifestations. I spent a very long time desperately wanting to move to a warmer climate, to move nearer my family, and to move to a more scenic location. And I was constantly trying to force my physical reality to change, moaning, complaining that I didn't have what I wanted. And I had used many manifestation techniques to try and get what I wanted, and it still hadn't happened. And when I let go of the desperate need to have what I want, it manifested. And I did that by being okay with where I was currently. I knew that at some point in my life I would have what I wanted, and therefore that allowed me to be okay right now. I never let go of my desire. I never let go of my wanting to have my desire. I just let go of the desperation. I just let go of the complaining. I just let go of the wondering when and the wondering how it was ever going to happen. And I just got on with my life. I decided, what can I control right now? How can I have a small thing that I want right now? I focused on that, and then as soon as I did that, it happened. The big change happened. But it wasn't because I stopped desiring what I wanted, it's because I stopped physically trying to force my reality to change and knew that it was mine. So you don't need to try and forget about your manifestation. You don't need to set it and forget it. You don't need to manifest once and never think about it again. If you desire something, it's very natural to want to think about it all the time, but it's how you think about it that makes all the difference. If you are thinking about your desire and you are imagining yourself in your desire, from your desire, as having already got your desire. So for example, you're trying to move location and you are imagining in your head that you are already in that new location and how your life is going to be. That is what's going to bring your manifestation to you. But if you are using your manifestation for negativity instead, by moaning in your own head, replaying negative conversations, imagining yourself complaining to other people that you don't have what you want, or even complaining to God, or imagining yourself as a separate being, complaining to somebody, saying, God, why haven't you given me what I want? I want you to give me what I want. What else do I have to do? Those kind of things. that is assuming that you can't get what you want. And when you really truly grasp this, you don't need to use any manifestation techniques at all. I created a whole video around this, the easiest way to manifest what you want, no techniques required, so go and watch that now. I also have another video called The Science Behind Manifestation, and that helps you to build your belief system that your manifestation will actually manifest because it's been scientifically proven. So go and check that out as well. And I would love to hear your experiences. Have you ever manifested something by letting go of the outcome? And have you ever manifested something by letting go of the desperation surrounding the outcome? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're there, like this video and subscribe for more. And if you'd like to manifest more fame, fortune and followers, I have a free manifestation milestones board pack that you can get in the description below. And now it's your turn to go and put your stamp on the world.